Alright guys, welcome to part 5. If you can solve this problem, drop the answer in the comment section. If you can't, don't worry, it's a simple problem. They ask us to calculate n if 53 base n plus 41 base n minus 25 base n is equal to 63. So what do? We just apply the strategy we have been working on so far, which is convert all the number base to base 10. You know the strategy. So all you need to do is just what? Cross this and put your number base n. Cross this, put your number base n, cross, put your number base n, and cross that, put your number base n. And what you're going to do for me is use multiplication and addition to change it to base 10. So let's go. 5 times n will give us 5n. 5n plus 3, that is what it is in base 10. So it is 5n plus 3. So it's already in base 10. Plus, so what do we have here? You can open a bracket just to be clear. So for this one, let's go. 4 times n will give us 4n. So we write it 4n, and then we apply addition. 4n plus 1, and that is it in base 10. It's already in base 10. Then we apply our negative sign, open bracket. 2 times n is 2n. So we write it down and apply the addition operation. 2n plus 5, and that is it in base 10. So we do it for the last guy. 6 times n, 6n, 6n plus 3. That is what it is in base 10. So once you put everything in base 10, you expand and collect the like terms. Then that's the answer. You get your answer right away. So let's expand. So we have 5n plus 3 plus, oops, open this bracket. This is a positive sign, so it does not affect what is inside the bracket. So we just go ahead and write that plus 1. Then this is a negative sign. It affects what's inside the bracket. So negative times 2n will give us negative 2n. Negative multiply plus 5 will give us negative 5, and is equal to 6n plus 3. So let's deal with the left hand side. Let's collect all the ones with n one side and the ones with numbers one side. So collect like time. So let's go. So here we have 5n. Any other brother? This is plus 4n is here. So bring it here. Plus 4n. We have minus 2n. Remember, when you're carrying numbers, carry it with their signs. Minus 2n, bring it together. So what is remaining? The numbers, we have plus 3, and we have plus 1, and then we have minus 5. So on the other side, just leave it untouched for now. So for this one, let's deal with this. 5n plus 4n. Just think of it like 5 bottles plus 4 bottles. I'm sure you probably know 9 bottles for those of us that drink 1 or 2. So let's go. 5n plus 4n, that's 9n. 9n minus 2n, that is 7n. So we have 7n here. So plus 3, 3 plus 1, that's 4. 4 minus 5, and that is minus 1. Because 4 is small, 5 is big, so take the sign of the bigger number. So that is minus, so minus 1. So we have this is equal to 6n plus 3. Okay? You remember the strategy, right? So we need to put everybody in their position. So to remove 6n from here and bring it over here, we apply the reverse operation. Notice that this 6n does not have any sign here. So apparently the sign here is automatically a positive sign. So to remove it, we apply the reverse sign, which is negative. So here is minus 6n here. So also apply it here, minus 6n here. And then to remove this negative 1 here and bring it over here, we apply the reverse operation. The reverse operation of negative 1 is plus 1. So we do this here, plus 1, plus 1. Then we simplify. So to simplify, we are going to have something like this. So let's simplify that. We'll simplify this. We'll have 7n minus 6n. That will give us an n. And then minus 1 plus 1. This will cancel out to give us a 0. And this whole thing is equal to plus 6n minus 6n. They will still cancel out and give us a 0. So what we have left is plus 3 plus 1. That will give us plus 4. So our answer is right there, n equal to 4, and that is the answer. Bye bye.